Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today we're going to show you how to uninstall printer drivers in Windows 10, so you can remove old or unwanted printer drivers quickly and easily. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to do it safely and efficiently. Step 1. Click on the search box at the bottom left of your screen. This is the Windows search bar, and it lets you find tools and settings quickly. Step 2. Type Print Management into the search bar. Print Management is a built-in Windows tool that allows you to manage all printers and drivers installed on your computer. Step 3. Open the Print Management app from the search results. This will take you to the main console where you can see all connected printers and drivers. Step 4. In the left panel of the Print Management window, click on All Drivers. This section lists all the printer drivers currently installed on your system, so you can easily identify the ones you no longer need. Step 5. In the right panel, locate the printer driver that you want to uninstall. Make sure you select the correct driver to avoid removing something important by mistake. Step 6. Right-click on the printer driver you want to delete and select Delete. Confirm any prompts that appear to complete the uninstallation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.